Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to turn off Careem services notifications on your Careem app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for us list like this. Then all you have to do just click here on profile. You come to this list here. Then all you have to do you just go down here, click here on settings. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do just click here on communications preferences. Then you come here to Careem services here. Then can you turn off it for notifications? Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean Careem services for notifications turn off now. And can you turn off it for emails to here and for SMS? That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.